Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell crypto on Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you have already an account in your Robinhood and that you are eligible to start trading on Robinhood and that everything is working well with your account. So make sure that you have completed the sign up and the identity verification step, etc. And after that, all you need to do is to simply go to the crypto page or to the crypto menu here in Robinhood app. And basically here we can see this is the investing menu and this is the crypto one. So basically you will need just to wait for all the crypto to show and you will choose any crypto that you would like. And it seems that it is buggy for the moment, but we can find also that there are some crypto in the investing page. So as you can see, it is kind of diversified, so it can be easy to use here in Robinhood. So you will find the stock part and you will find also the crypto part. So let's suppose you want to start buying and selling Ethereum. So here we can see there is the Ethereum crypto charts, and you can find also a live chart, and this is the daily chart, etc. And all you need to do is either to send or receive. And basically, you can start depositing uh, and receiving your uh, crypto, and you will simply need to send or whatever you like. So when you click on send, it will take you to the wallet, so you will need to have already some crypto wallet, etc. And basically to start buying and selling, you will need just to go here, you click on the crypto that you would like, and it will have a UI like this. You just choose trade. It will be something similar to the stocks. You click on trade, you can buy and sell in crypto. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.